Our projection of plane online class. So today in our problem statements we have the rectangular plate 30 by 50 mm. It is resting on HP with one side perpendicular to VP. So first we draw our XY line and we know in first angle the HP plane, it is the below XY line, and our VP plane, it is above XY line. The plate on HP means true shape of the rectangular plates in plan. So first we prepare our rectangle true shape in our HP plane with given dimension. Here I take the 30 by 50 mm. I write the corner A, B, C, D. This is my 30 mm. It is the 50 mm. Now we take the vertical projection and the plate on HP. It means our elevation of the rectangle on XY line. So I mark the A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and I draw the elevation of rectangular plates on XY line. Now in second stage, the problem statement it says your rectangular plate, it is going to incline to HP such that the top view become square. And here we have to find out the inclination, surface inclined to HP. So the top view of the second stage it is given here. Okay, your rectangular plates become square. Square means the AB side it is maintain its true length 30 mm, but my BC side in second stage it is become 30 mm. So what I do? First I create my 30 by 30 square as per problem statements. I write this corner A, B, C and D. But actually the plate it is inclined to HP. So first we take the vertical projection and we know the side AB it is on HP plane. So the elevation of the side AB it is on XY line with a dash, B dash. Now here there is a simple top view length it is given and we are going to find out the true length. So we know the true length A dash C dash, that is the elevation of the first stage. A dash center, simply I draw the arc on the projection which is coming from top view length. So it is giving our C dash D dash point, and I join with straight line, and we got our answer. The surface inclined to HP. So you measure your angle, the second stage elevation inclined to XY line, and this answer it is 54 degree. So we can write the theta 54 degree. Now side AB in third stage, it is inclined to VP 45 degree. So first I take the 1 points on XY line. The VP plane it is above, so we draw the inclination line at downward direction on our HP plane. And I draw the 45 degree inclination line. That we say the side AB inclined to VP 45 degree. On this side, we arrange our AB side 30 mm at any location, but your side should be on inclination line, that is A and B. Now you draw the perpendicular line to your AB. Either you can apply the arc method, this 30 mm, it is also 30 mm, and rearrange your second stage top view with side AB inclined to VP. So this is my corner C. It is our corner D. Now we know in the elevation the answer it is a surface. So for what we do, we take the vertical projection from all the corner, and the horizontal projection from previous elevation. Now you can mark your respective points. So my A dash it is on XY line, because the A dash B dash it is on XY line here. This is my B dash. This is our C dash. This is our D dash. I join all the points sequentially, A dash B dash, then B dash C dash, C dash D dash, D dash A dash. So you have the surface in your elevation when your one side of the rectangular plate inclined to VP 45 degree. So here I am writing this is my 30 by 30 square. The top view appear to be square. Thank you for attending the online class.